Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today we're talking about a unique and exciting electric vehicle from Tata Motors. Yes, we're discussing the upcoming 2026 Tata Magic EV Auto Rickshaw. If you're looking for a comfortable, affordable, and eco-friendly public transport option, stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your views. Design and looks. The design of the Tata Magic EV is modern and highly functional. It looks more like a minivan with a practical boxy structure. The front features sleek LED headlights and a stylish closed grille. Large glass windows offer wide visibility for passengers at the back. The seating area is spacious and airy. Battery and range. The Magic EV is expected to come with a 14 to 17 kWh lithium-ion battery pack on a full charge. It offers a range of 120 to 140 km. It supports fast charging. You can charge it up to 80% in just about 4 hours. Motor and performance. It is equipped with a 26 to 30 kilowatts electric motor. The top speed is expected to be around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. It supports eco and normal driving modes. It provides smooth pickup and strong load carrying capacity. Comfort and space. Tata Magic EV offers seating for 6 to 8 passengers. Cushioned seats, full headroom, and ample leg space make it ideal for urban and rural routes. Driver seat is adjustable and comes with a digital instrument cluster. Safety features. Safety is well taken care of with reverse parking sensors, a strong body frame, rollover protection structure, and electric central locking system. Mileage and maintenance. The running cost is extremely low, just 0.50 to 70 Indian paise per kilometer. No petrol or diesel required, making it very economical. Fewer moving parts mean less maintenance over time. Technology and features. It includes a digital display cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, GPS tracking, USB charging ports, and support for fleet management apps for operators. Price and variants. The expected ex-showroom price will be around a superscript 16.5 lakh to a superscript 17.5 lakh. It is likely to come in 2 to 3 variants with different seating and feature configurations. The Tata Magic EV is expected to launch in early 2026. It will first be available in metro cities and major towns. Later, it will roll out across the entire country. Compared to rivals like the Bajaj Maxima, Mahindra Treo, or Piaggio Ape, the Tata Magic EV stands out in range, passenger comfort, and overall utility. This could become the ideal EV for last mile public TR. Like, subscribe, comment. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.